Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights. If you've ever wondered how the wealthy build and maintain their fortune, you're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering 7 powerful financial habits that separate the rich from the rest. These aren't just theories. They're real, actionable strategies that can help you grow your wealth and secure your financial future. From smart investing moves to disciplined saving techniques, we'll break down what the wealthy do differently, and more importantly, how you can apply these habits to your own life. No matter where you are on your financial journey, these insights can set you on the path to long-term success. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building lasting wealth, let's dive in. Habit number 1, mindset of abundance. The first habit we're exploring is the mindset of abundance. Wealthy individuals tend to view the world through a lens of opportunity rather than scarcity. While many people focus on limitations and what they lack, the wealthy see challenges as stepping stones to growth. This shift in perspective allows them to embrace risks and pursue new ventures with confidence. Positive thinking plays a crucial role in financial success. When you believe that there are enough resources and opportunities for everyone, you're more likely to take action and seize those opportunities. This mindset fosters creativity and innovation, enabling you to find solutions where others see obstacles. So how can you cultivate an abundance mindset? Start by recognizing your thoughts and reframing negative beliefs about money and success. Surround yourself with positive influences and practice gratitude for what you have. By shifting your perspective towards abundance, you'll open the door to new possibilities and pave the way for financial growth. Remember, your mindset is the foundation of your financial journey. Habit number 2, continuous learning. The second habit we're focusing on is continuous learning. Wealthy individuals understand that education doesn't stop after formal schooling. It's a lifelong journey. They actively invest in their knowledge and skills, recognizing that staying informed and adaptable is crucial for financial success. By continuously expanding their expertise, they position themselves to seize new opportunities and navigate challenges effectively. There are countless resources available for continuous learning. Books, online courses, podcasts, and webinars are just a few examples of how you can enhance your knowledge. For instance, reading books by successful entrepreneurs or enrolling in courses related to finance or investing can provide valuable insights that can directly impact your financial decisions. We encourage you to prioritize personal development in your daily routine. Set aside time each week to learn something new, whether it's through reading, attending workshops, or networking with like-minded individuals. By committing to continuous learning, you'll not only boost your financial acumen, but also empower yourself to achieve your goals and dreams. Habit number 3, strategic networking. The third habit we're discussing is strategic networking. Wealthy individuals understand that their success is often tied to the relationships they build and maintain. They leverage their networks to uncover opportunities, gain insights, and collaborate on ventures. By surrounding themselves with like-minded, ambitious individuals, they create a support system that fosters growth and innovation. Effective networking can happen both online and offline. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and participate in community activities to meet new people. Online platforms like LinkedIn are also powerful tools for connecting with professionals in your field. Engage in discussions, share valuable content, and reach out to individuals whose work you admire. We encourage you to expand your professional connections actively. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and initiate conversations. Remember, networking is not just about what you can gain, it's also about what you can offer. By building genuine relationships, you'll create a network that can open doors to new opportunities and propel your financial success. Habit number 4, smart investing. The fourth habit we're exploring is smart investing. Understanding the difference between saving and investing is crucial for wealth accumulation. While saving involves setting aside money for future use, investing is about putting your money to work to generate returns over time. Wealthy individuals recognize that simply saving isn't enough to grow their wealth. They actively seek out investment opportunities that can yield higher returns. There are various investment vehicles to consider, including stocks, real estate, and mutual funds. Stocks offer the potential for significant growth, while real estate can provide both appreciation and rental income. Mutual funds allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio managed by professionals, reducing risk while still aiming for returns. We encourage you to research and consider your investment options carefully. Take the time to understand the risks and rewards associated with each type of investment. Habit number 5, budgeting and tracking expenses. The fifth habit we're focusing on is budgeting and tracking expenses. Wealthy individuals understand that managing their finances effectively starts with a solid budget. By creating a clear financial plan, they can allocate their resources wisely, ensuring that they're not only covering their expenses, but also saving and investing for the future. To effectively track expenses, consider using tools and apps designed for budgeting. Popular options like Mint, illuminate, you need a budget, and Personal Capital can help you monitor your spending habits in real time. These tools allow you to categorize your expenses, set financial goals, and gain insights into your financial health. We encourage you to create and stick to a personal budget. Start by listing your income and expenses, then identify areas where you can cut back or save more. Regularly reviewing your budget will help you stay accountable and make informed financial decisions. By prioritizing budgeting and expense tracking, you'll gain greater control over your finances and pave the way for long-term wealth accumulation. Habit number 6, setting clear financial goals. The sixth habit we're discussing is setting clear financial goals. Wealthy individuals understand that having specific, measurable objectives is essential for achieving financial success. By defining their goals, they create a roadmap that guides their financial decisions and actions. This clarity helps them stay focused and motivated, even when faced with challenges. Financial goals can be categorized into short-term and long-term objectives. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or paying off credit card debt, while long-term goals could involve building a retirement fund or purchasing a home. By breaking down larger aspirations into smaller, manageable steps, wealthy individuals can track their progress and celebrate milestones along the way. We encourage you to define your own financial aspirations. Take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve financially, whether it's saving a specific amount, investing in a business, or planning for retirement. Write down your goals and create a plan to reach them. By setting clear financial goals, you'll be better equipped to take control of your financial future and work towards lasting wealth. Habit number 7, giving back. The seventh habit we're exploring is giving back. Wealthy individuals often recognize the importance of philanthropy and its role in creating a positive impact on society. By contributing their time, resources, and expertise, they help address pressing social issues and uplift their communities. This commitment to giving not only benefits those in need, but also enriches the lives of the givers themselves. There are countless ways to engage in charitable activities, from donating to established organizations like the Red Cross or Habitat for Humanity, to starting your own initiatives that address local needs. Volunteering at shelters, mentoring youth, or supporting educational programs are just a few examples of how you can make a difference. We encourage you to consider ways you can contribute to your community. Reflect on the causes that resonate with you and explore opportunities to get involved. Whether through financial contributions or volunteering your time, giving back fosters a sense of purpose and connection, ultimately enhancing your own life while making a meaningful impact on others. In this video, we've explored 7 essential financial habits that can pave the way for your financial success. We began with the mindset of abundance, emphasizing the importance of viewing opportunities positively. Next, we discussed continuous learning and how investing in your education can enhance your financial acumen. We then highlighted the significance of strategic networking, showing how building relationships can unlock new opportunities. Following that, we covered smart investing, explaining the difference between saving and investing for wealth accumulation. We also talked about budgeting and tracking expenses, which are crucial for managing your finances effectively. Setting clear financial goals was another key habit, helping you define your aspirations and create a roadmap to achieve them. Finally, we wrapped up with the importance of giving back, illustrating how philanthropy can create a positive impact on society. Remember, applying these habits consistently can lead to lasting financial success. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Thank you for watching.